This is the sixth product in our cocoa processing journey, and today we are making something smooth, creamy, rich, and absolutely irresistible. Homemade white chocolate, made completely from scratch using real cocoa butter. Let's get started. I begin by measuring out 168 grams of cocoa butter and transferring it into a bowl. Now, we need to melt it gently, so I'm using the double boiler method. This helps the cocoa butter melt evenly without burning or overheating. As it melts, I stir from time to time to help speed up the process. And just look at that beautiful golden cocoa butter. Once it's completely melted, I sift in 40 grams of powdered sugar and stir it properly into the cocoa butter. Next, I sift in 120 grams of powdered milk. Now, sieving is not compulsory, but I highly recommend it because it helps remove lumps and gives your white chocolate a much smoother texture. I continue mixing everything together until fully incorporated. At this stage, the mixture starts looking creamy, rich, and silky smooth. Now, I remove it from the heat and allow it to cool completely. You can speed up the cooling process using an ice bath method. But for this batch, I decided to let mine cool naturally. Fast forward to about 1 hour later, the mixture is now completely cool and ready for the next step. I transfer everything into my blender and blend for about 2 minutes. This blending step is very important because it helps refine the texture and give the white chocolate that smoother, more professional finish. After about 2 minutes, I open the blender and I add 1.5 grams of vanilla essence for flavor. Then I cover it again and blend for another 30 seconds. And now, it is finally time to mold the chocolate. I carefully pour the white chocolate into my molds, filling each cavity according to its size. I'm using 3 regular chocolate bar molds for this batch. After filling them, then I place them into the refrigerator. I also pour the remaining chocolate into smaller molds and refrigerate those as well. Fast forward to about 30 minutes later. Our white chocolate are fully set and ready. Now, let's unmold them. And wow! Just look at that. Smooth, glossy, beautiful, but most importantly, absolutely delicious. I continue unmolding the remaining bars one after another. And now for the smaller chocolates. These tiny ones are always the case favorites, even though they taste exactly the same as the bigger bars. Somehow, the smaller size makes them extra special to kids. And honestly, I can't even blame them. They look adorable. So whenever you are making chocolate, don't forget to make some smaller ones too. And just like that, we have successfully made rich homemade white chocolate completely from scratch using real cocoa butter. No preservatives, no artificial ingredients, just pure homemade chocolate goodness. But the cocoa journey continues. In the next video, we'll be making these beautiful creamy brown chocolate bars using cocoa powder. So even those who does not have access to fresh cocoa pods can follow along easily. So stay tuned, follow the page, and turn on your notifications because you definitely don't want to miss that one. God bless.